Hey guys, how are you? Henry here from Product Creation Formula. I thought I'd just shoot this quick video today just to explain a little bit about Vidnami and what's happening here. Now, as you know, I have created a few videos recently about Vidnami, and none of us were aware at the time that they were looking at closing their doors. So I apologize for those of you who have purchased under my link and you have decided to get Vidnami, because none of us were aware until just a few days ago that they were closing their doors. Anyhow, they've been purchased by GoDaddy, and they do give, in the affiliate page, this some questions. They have this frequently asked questions section, which we can quickly go over right now, just so as we can understand what's actually going on. So I think the first question we need to ask is, why did you sell Vidnami? So they sold Vidnami to GoDaddy, and let's have a look why that is. As a small startup based in Australia, we often found that we were competing against much larger and better resourced competitors. The reality is that we had so many exciting plans and ideas for Vidnami, but usually we just didn't have the resources to pursue them. Joining GoDaddy will allow us to accelerate our feature development, create new web and mobile tools, and allow us to impact over 20 million entrepreneurs around the world. So that is their main reasoning to start off with. So I would assume that they got a fairly good compensation, financial compensation for all that, which probably means that they can expand their revenue. Also, they explain that they were a small group of only 7 people. If you say, for example, are a customer, so let's just focus on the customers. When is the last day you'll be able to access my Vidnami account? Well, it appears you'll be able to access your Vidnami account until the 20th of August. And so, will you keep billing me? No, or subscriptions will cease from the 20th of July. So you'll keep getting billed up until the 20th of July. But then after that, you'll have no more payments to make to Vidnami. Can I download my generated videos? Yes, you can. If you have a number of videos on Vidnami already, you can download them, and you can get them as a CSV file or a zip file. Now, what other tools can be used instead of Vidnami? Well, personally, I actually use Invideo, which is this one right here, and I'll leave a link for this one down in the description down below. So I'll be replacing my Vidnami with Invideo. Now, they're also saying that they're going to reopen. They're going to try and get it all up and running by December. However, I do have my doubts on that, because with only a small team of 7 people, integrating into such a large system may have further complications that we are not necessarily aware of. So I would assume it may take a little longer. I could be wrong. I hope I am. I'm hoping that they will have it ready by December. I'd love to see them reopen their doors under the banner of GoDaddy. However, they will also hopefully give us a discount on being able to do that, which would be fantastic. So if they do, I'll create a video on that, and hopefully we can all get a discount on Vidnami. What is your refund policy? As most Vidnami users are on a monthly plan, we have always maintained a 30-day money-back guarantee if you have purchased Vidnami within the last 30 days and would like to request a refund. Please contact support@vidnami.com. I'm on the annual plan. Can I request a pro rata refund? Yes. If you're on an annual plan and would like to request a pro rata refund, please contact support@vidnami.com. Why did you sell Vidnami? We've gone through that. How long will the integration process take? Now, this is where they said it's hard to say, because I mean, even they admit that it is difficult to say. This is hard to say. We hope to have some level of integration by the end of this year, and we'll continue to initiate to bring Vidnami's video capacity to GoDaddy Studios as quickly as we can. So it does sound like they're planning on reopening their doors, but just under new management, basically. So for affiliates though, if you're an affiliate of Vidnami, what's going to happen? What's going to happen to my monthly affiliate payments? Well, if you're an affiliate, we'll be cancelling all Vidnami payment subscriptions from the 20th of July. You'll receive commissions on any payments we receive before the date that were made by customers you referred. Are you going to pay out all my affiliate commissions? Yes, we will continue to make affiliate payments until you receive your share of all your payments we receive from subscribers by referring to Vidnami. Okay. When will my affiliate link stop working? My affiliate link will stop working. Oh, it looks like my affiliate link will stop working as of tomorrow, which is the 5th of July. When will you close Vidnami free trial funnel to new users? We'll be closing the Vidnami free trial from July 5th. So you'll no longer, if you're using the free trial, you will no longer be able to use the free trial after July 5th. So when will, but up till the 5th of July, you can use it for 14 days for free. Hey. When will you stop selling Vidnami? The last day anyone will be able to buy Vidnami will be July 19th. This will ensure that they receive a full month of access for the monthly fee they pay upon subscribing. What will happen to refunds? We'll continue to offer Vidnami subscribers 30-day money-back guarantee. There is likely to be a higher refund rate at the final month as subscribers realize that the product is being retired. When will I receive my final affiliate payment? As we pay affiliate commissions up to 2 months in arrears, and the last day of payments is July 19th, it is likely that you will receive your affiliate payments in September. So that is basically what we know so far. We'll see how we go with all this, and I'm planning on joining up with the GoDaddy affiliate program so as it'll hopefully be up and running by the time Vidnami is running again, so we can all just hope and see. And once that is up and running, we'll hopefully get a new version of Vidnami that will be bigger and better than ever. Let's hope anyway. Anyhow, with all that being said and done, it does look like they're going to reopen, but not straight away. But in the meantime, you're welcome to use the Invideo link that we have down in the description box below. And I would highly suggest you do that, because Invideo is a really good site. Now let's have a quick look at Invideo. Alright, for a start, Invideo has a monthly plan, which is about $30 a month. And that's after the free trial. Or you can do a yearly plan, which works out to be $180 a year. Well, that is also bringing the price down substantially to about $15 a month, compared to Vidnami's, I think it was $35 a month after the discount. So, when you look at the yearly plan, you can get this at a much cheaper rate. And, it's pretty good. So, let's jump straight in. Now, of course, if you're like me and you want to do just text to video, you can do these ones here. Always make sure I use the widescreens because it's a YouTube video usually I'm creating. And you can choose from any of these ones here. You can choose corporate and so forth. You can just go through, make a choice as the type you like and want. Now, there will be some extra, let's just say, there will be some extra bits of editing you'll need to do. Probably a little bit more editing than what you would have had to do when you were doing Vidnami, because I would have to say Invideo is good. But, to me, Vidnami was better. However, saying that, as an alternative, Invideo is probably your best bet. And I'm hoping to try and get Invideo to be allowing me to have a discount sometime soon. But so far there hasn't been any luck with any of my replies or any of my requests. But when I do, I'll immediately add it to this channel. And I'll let you know in the description box when that happens. Okay guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and also hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Now, I haven't put my face on the screen today, but I thought I'd just quickly shoot you this quick video just to keep you up to date as to what's happening. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.